Well, I think other than getting the screen in, I think I've got her pretty much ready to bolt on the engine. So got the other gasket made. So that's probably the next step there. It's all put together. I decided to put a priming cup in it. Don't know if I need it or not. I think I've seen a couple online where they had a priming cup put on there. So thought maybe I'd do that. Might as well do it now while still kind of working and getting towards ready to put on the engine and stuff like that. So anyways, I'm going to move the camera over and we'll start working on the engine part of it here. So we're going to put the mixer on now. I am going to bolt it. I think eventually I'll make some studs for it here and just, I think that's a much better way to do it. I think it's a little chance of breaking this, less chance of breaking the flange and everything like that once that's done. So, Happy New Year to you. Well, the neighbor just showed up, so that kind of threw me off for there for a little bit, but just put a little more tension on that spring. I don't like how it's sucking in on that one stroke there. So, but see what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna probably look at hooking up the check valve now and doing some of those things. So I'll probably just put you on the time lapse, and as I'm doing that, and see, I'm not sure if I'm going to run fuel lines today or not, or if I'm just going to maybe run some. So I think once I get my fuel line and everything all hooked up, an actual proper fuel supply, I don't have a. I thought I had some 1/2-inch copper tubing. I do. I just have a short little piece, and my piece off the other engine doesn't fit. So, so I have to pick up a piece. Hopefully, I can get a piece of 1/2-inch copper line in the city tomorrow, and even though it is the day after New Year's, so. And then we'll hopefully be able to, I think I'll lift it off of here, and then we'll give her a crank. So that showed a little bit of life there, though. So that's very, very encouraging. So, like I say, I need to get it off the table here onto the floor where it's going to be a little more stable. Run a proper fuel line. I'm not sure about the governor because one of those springs is not original, so it may, I may need some playing around with that, but definitely breathes some life into it. So pretty happy right now. Hopefully the next video I share with you guys, we're up and running and I get it fine tuned and we're ready to roll. So again, please like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. And I think we're seeing the light at the end of the road here finally. So talk to you later, everybody.